Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the bag video, aka box video. Today is March 31st. It's a Thursday, 2022. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Like I said in the intro, today is March 31st, 2022. It's a Thursday. Just a little small guess what's in the bag video. This bag is 13.5 inches long by 12.25 inches wide. And it is at the very thickest point where the item is. I'm not really sure why they literally put this tiny item in this giant bag, but it is 1 1.25 inches wide that the item is. Item is this little spot right here. I will tell you guys, just to help you out, this is a tap. But what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to guess different tap sizes and see who gets the actual tap size that's in this. It could be standard or SAE, could be metric, who knows. Metric would be imperial, standard is SAE. So you guys let me know what you guys think it is. I've got a couple tools here, give you guys just a quick update. So I got my Makita XDT16 here, a chameleon tape measure here. I'm working on my wife's project, and that isn't the only thing I ordered from Amazon. There should be 2 other items. One's coming from Germany, and which is a tool, and the other item is related to the tap. So this has hardened. So I got 2 poles in out of the 6 poles they're going to be putting up here. So every 4 feet there's going to be a pole all the way up to 24 feet. So I don't think I dug the hole deep enough on this guy, even though I dug it 2 feet. I don't think I dug the 12 inches around enough. This pole right here is actually about an inch. It's about 1/4 inch or so too far back towards the chain link compared to this one. So they're at a little angle, so I'm going to fix it on the rest of the poles. I need to take this brace off. I put 2 braces up to hold the poles. I need to take this brace off to line 4 feet from this pole, and I'm measuring 4 feet from the center. So the center of this pole, 4 feet to the center of the next pole. I did crack a little bit, but you know, it's okay. I also ran the concrete over to this pole as well. This metal pole, maybe it'll strengthen the metal pole just a little bit more. So gotta finish that project, and then I'm going to be putting a 2x8 at the top of all the poles. I'm going to drill it into each pole on the top, and then I'm going to mount some 2x8s on the front of the front faces of the poles to create bracing. And this Empire post and pipe level is pretty good. I've actually quite enjoyed it. I think it works extremely well. So I don't need to take it off right now, but that's just a quick update. You know, my wife's garden still has lots of things in it. Snapdragons have gotten really tall here. They're about 4 feet, 3.5, 4 feet. All the Xeon got huge. The Xeon was actually only this big right here when we got it. It's now huge, and the camera doesn't do it justice. It's actually a lot bigger in person than on camera for some reason, but you know, that's just the way the camera works. Those have bloomed quite a bit. This has bloomed quite a bit. This has bloomed as well. The broccoli bloomed flowers. These are potatoes, as you can see, potatoes. Those are blooming and doing well. These are similar to what's up front. Same family, different version of the family. There's strawberries back here. So, got strawberries right here. So, a lot of things are growing. There's roses on some of the roses. A couple trees. The chocolate mint. So, everything's getting pretty big. This right here is still blooming. I think this was a squash, if I remember correctly. The pepper plants have gotten really thick. They're about an inch around on the base. There's 2 of them here. They've gotten their flowers back, so, or their leaves and stuff back. So they went into hibernation. My wife's berry tree, I'm not sure what kind of berry tree it is. Gotta get rid of these cutter bees though, which can't really do anything about them because they're protected here. But the thyme bloomed. And chives. Chives and thyme. Rosemary bloomed. So everything over here is doing pretty well. Here's thyme, chives. So just a quick update for you guys. This is all the dirt that we removed out the ground. These 2 lemon and lime trees seem to be doing okay. The leaves are still curled. They're still adjusting to their new home. Bullseye is also doing well. He had his stitches removed today for his surgery. 2 of his surgeries, he had his stitches removed. So just gotta wait for his cancer treatments to be finished being developed. You know, that's about it. I'll give you guys another hint just before the next video comes out. The tool that I'm waiting that's coming from Germany is related to this Icon. It's just not made. It's not made by Icon, but it's a little ratchet kit similar to this. So that's an idea for you guys. That is all I got for you guys. I do hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'm waiting for another part to show up so that way I can finish the passenger side rear shock and put that boot on and everything. I'm trying to think of what else. The fundraiser, it's not really going too well. You know, I figured, you know, people would help out, you know, because, you know, cancer. My dog does have cancer, but I guess people only care when humans have cancer. But, you know, it is what it is. I gotta go pick up some more soft dog food for him. People in their freaking revving crap. Like, neighbor doesn't even drive the quad, and he's got to sit there for 40 minutes plus revving it for no reason. The easiest way to keep the oil moving in the engine is to actually ride it instead of just sitting there revving it at max RPMs. I don't know why he does that. It is quite annoying. He did it to the Harley that he had before he sold the Harley. He bought the Harley, rode it 3 times, and for 3+ years, I would say it was more like 5 or 6 years, he just parked it in front of his house, revved it every day, and he always seemed to rev the quads and motorcycles at 9-10 p.m. You know, at least I can't complain. It's 4:45 in the afternoon, so at least he's doing it during the day. But appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys next time. Peace!